Okay, everybody, let's find alignment in the spine. That alignment being surprisingly far to the right. I want you all to connect to your inner self. We're souls, we're not bodies. Think of the body as the hotel for the soul. Sorry, not hotel. The flags and pitchforks away, sorry. They're not hotels. Pubs. Lovely pubs. The body is a lovely pub full of white English people. We're going to connect to our chakra now. There is only one, the dick chakra. Listen to the dick, behave like the dick. Remember, everybody, this room is an unsafe space, so no vulnerability, tense up a lot and panic about nothing. We're now going to move through some poses. We're going to start in downward dog whistle. Some cultures are better than others. Breathe in and out on an SS breath. Pile of turd, arch the back, snake in the grass, small boat pose, stop, protect the children, raise the pint, breathe in, and breathe out on I'm a man of the people, but I earn upwards of £1 million a year. The St. George's Cross, the St. George's Very Cross, the liar, red flag, open chest, closed borders, the reform policy pose, this one is incredibly unbalanced, yeah, the visiting Donald Trump, the Clacton-on-Sea, the resign after 4 months, into the history of domestic violence, we'll end in a sun salute, and I think we all know which salute I mean.